What's going on, Miss L? Someone's practicing her bicycling moves. Is that what you're doing? She is being busy. We'll call you Busy Legs. Someone's got the hiccups. What else? Running on the bicycle legs. What else can you do? What else can you do? Say, I'm a big girl. Move those fingers. Oh, she's got the toes moving. Yes, yes. What else can you do? We gotta learn some new tricks. Will you say something? Will you say something? Like ga? Ga? What do you think? Uh-oh. What just happened? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There was a power outage. Oh, we better tell Daddy, right? Yeah. We better tell Daddy. Everything turned out. Okay? All right. See you later. Bye.